Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. Now, I found a truck that I wanted to show you today. Start out September with a bang. This is unanimously the upgrade to the new generation Tundra that everybody loves. We know there are some people who like the new gen and some people who very much dislike the new gen. But even those that dislike the new generation Tundra agree that the TRD lift is what brings the truck together and makes it look great. We are going to show some pictures today from one of our favorite dealerships in the nation, Handy Toyota in St. Albans, Vermont. They always have a massive amount of Tundras there. So every once in a while, I will check on their website, handytoyota.com, to look through all of their Tundras, which is usually around 40 or 50 Tundras at a time, new and used, second gen and third gen, to see what I could find. And guess what? Found another great one again. This is a used 2022 Tundra Limited, which we will go over what is actually on this Limited, because you can build these trucks up and you can really get them the way where you have a lot of luxury features, or you can have it where there's not so much on it, but more than the SR5. They're asking 75 grand for this one, 11,327 miles on this truck, midnight black exterior, black on the inside, four-wheel drive. And as you can see, it has the TRD factory lift. If you don't know what the difference is in look, I want to show you this picture real quick just to give you an idea. Now, this is a Celestial Silver Limited. It doesn't have the TRD package, just like the one from Handy Toyota. And this is its stock height, okay? Take a look at it. And when we go over to the one with the factory lift kit, look at the difference it does for the look of that truck. Aesthetically, it looks amazing. It's a 3-inch lift in the front, 2-inch in the back. It runs about $2,500. So if you already have a new generation Tundra and you want this lift, I will show you the part number at the end and where it is available. But just the quick back and forth between these pictures, it doesn't look bad at stock height. I love the new generation Tundra look, but let me tell you what, when you put that factory lift on it, it looks amazing. And the best thing is, if you're in the market for a Tundra currently and you're looking for a 2024, new for 2024, this can be a factory installed option, meaning dealerships that are setting up their allocations to come to their dealership can actually select TRD factory lift kit, and they take care of it at TMMTX where they build the Tundra, versus you having to go to a parts department in a dealership and they put it on at the dealership. This can be done at the factory. Of course, you still can go to the parts department and buy one if you already have a new gen, but it makes it a lot easier going forward, and people have been waiting for them to be a factory option for a long time. But let's take a look at this specific truck from Handy Toyota. As you can see, it has a nice, beautiful stance to it. They put a BFG KO2 all-terrain tire on it to give it that nice, aggressive off-road look. It has the stock limited wheels still. And if we close in here and look at the size, these tires are 285/65 R20. So with keeping the stock wheel and putting a more aggressive tire on, it really makes that Limited shine even more. It has that satin chrome surround around the Limited grille. Once again, this is not TRD and this is not iForce Max. This is your regular iForce Limited, which this is even better to show you because of all the possibilities you could do with this truck. If you're someone who bought a Limited and you want to do a little something with it, all they did was throw the TRD lift kit on it and some nice tires, and it already is brought to a point of absolute beauty and looks so unique. But there's more you could do. You could add things like a body color surround around the grille. You could add the Heritage TRD Pro Grille. There's just so much you could do, but what a great start on this truck. There's a close-up of that TRD lift in the front there. 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back once again. Absolutely beautiful. What a stance on this truck. Black with the chrome accenting does look amazing when it's not overdone. And with the Limited they've done in the new gen, all you really get are the badges, the handles, and that window trim, and that's it. And it looks great going down the side of the body. I say this in a lot of videos. I'm going to say it again. With the new generation Tundra, I love that the truck is so plain down the side. And I don't mean that in a negative way. I mean it in a positive way. There's not a lot of extras. It's just straight to the point. Very clean truck. And when you put tires like BFG KO2s on it and you throw on that lift kit, it just brings the truck alive. I think all of you will agree that the look is definitely there. This truck has your standard composite bed. It has the LED lights and the outlet in the bed as well, which is an upgrade on Limited. This also has the panoramic roof if you're interested in this specific truck. I will put this listing down in the description if you just want to go and try to get this Tundra. That is up to you. But as you will see, pano roof. This does not have the JBL sound system in it, and I could tell you immediately how I can make that call just from this picture. If you look over under the driver's side and passenger side grab handle, there's no little JBL speaker there. That's just a quick way to see if it has it or not. Good looking truck with a great lift. And if you're interested in the lift, okay, and you already have a Tundra, this is Sparks Parts. As you know, I have a promo code at Sparks, TundraDude34, which saves you 5%. And they're asking $2,587.50 for this lift. I do have one piece of advice for you. If you are interested in the lift, make sure you call your local Toyota dealership before you purchase and make sure they're good to go with installing that lift. Make sure you have that all set up and then order the part. But Sparks Parts, like I said, $2,587.50, but you could save 5% by using the promo code TundraDude34. So a beautiful looking Limited with the TRD lift that is absolutely amazing looking. Evens that truck out real nice. So let me know what you think in the comments below about how this truck looks with this TRD lift. Are you a fan of the way the new generation Tundra looks with this lift? And last question of the video, are you happy that Toyota is actually offering this TRD lift as a factory option now? I know most of you will. Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. As always, thank you to Handy Toyota for allowing me to use their pictures and show you their truck. The listing of this Limited with the TRD lift will be down in the description, as will the listing from Sparks Parts for the lift as well. Just trying to help, just trying to show you some of the options you could do with your Toyota Tundra. Happy hunting out there. Be safe, be well. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 at gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.